Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram not sending code. So the first thing that you will need to do is when we open our Telegram application and then tap on that start send messages, okay, we'll be able to see this page and then we're going to paste our phone number in here and tap on the send icon. And then if you're having trouble receiving that code and you have been waiting for about maybe 10 minutes and then you always checked your messages, like for example this one, so I'm going to my messages and yet I did not receive the code yet. So we are going to fix that by following the three legal steps. Okay, so for the first step is we have to clear the cache of the Telegram application. So to do that is we have to exit this one and then proceed to our home screen. And then press and hold that application and then tap on the app info and then tap on this one, the app info, and then tap on the clear data option and then tap on the clear cache. Okay, so for our second method is we have to go back here and then wait for the option where we can request a voice call because sometimes if we're having trouble receiving the code by text messages, so we can just directly ask for a phone call and they're going to dictate the number. So for the last legal step is we have to wait for about 25 to 30 minutes because sometimes Telegrams send code very late. So if you wait around 25 to 30 minutes and always check your messages, you will be able to see the code like this one. So all you have to do now is to copy this code, okay, and then paste it in your Telegram authentication like this one. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.